kids, it's a gorgeous day today. Fancy a day at the beach? Let's draw. We're going to draw 2 lines, one down either side of our page. Add a sun in the middle by doing a circle with the sun rays all around. A smiley face, of course. Yay, and rosy cheeks. Then we're going to draw some clouds. Just a few, 1 or 2. Very easy to do. There you go. How about some flip-flops? We definitely need flip-flops on the beach, don't you think? Perhaps some seashells and a starfish. What else might we see on a beach? Oh, I know. A beach mat. Let's make it a stripy one. Brilliant. And a bucket, of course. We can't go to the beach without a bucket now, can we? Another rock. Now let's draw the ocean. Some waves. Very easy to do, just curvy lines from one side to the other side, layering it like that, marking out our beach area with a few hedges at the back. And some palm trees, yeah. Straight down one side, curvy down the other, a few circles for the coconuts, and then some long oval shapes for the leaves. Gorgeous, let's do another one. Super easy to draw, and they look fantastic too, don't you think? 3 coconuts just like before, and our long palm tree leaves. Hey, do you like palm trees? Me too. You know, they always make me think of something really exotic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Brilliant. Let's draw a hammock in between those 2 palm trees. Make good use of them, I say. Have you ever been in a hammock? Oh, it's so relaxing. It's amazing. I'm just going to hang those on the palm trees. Now time to paint. Yay! Yellow for the sun, of course. Missing out the cheeks and the mouth. We're going to go for gold now to do the outside. Pink for our rosy cheeks. And red for our tongue. Then finally some peach for the mouth. Perfect sun. Turquoise. Our clouds are going to be turquoise. That's right. And why not? Why should clouds be white? This is your picture. You can paint them whatever colour you want. And I love turquoise. Green next for the palm tree leaves. Yep, you guessed it right. All 6 of them on each tree. Let's do the other one. 3, 4, 5, and 6. There you go. Brilliant. Brown now. We're going to do brown for the tree trunks. Side to side, side to side. Super easy, side to side. And the other tree. This is so therapeutic. I love painting, don't you? Now let's go for darker brown for our coconuts. Oh, green again. Yay! Green for 1 stripe on our hammock. Next, we're going to go for pink. Wow, look at that. So vibrant. Yellow. That beautiful reflection of the sun there. Some purple. My favourite. Red for the ends. Let's go for some peach to do our sand. It's a gorgeous rosy peachy beach. Look at the sand glisten in the sunlight. It's so gorgeous. I would just love to go and lie on this beach in the sun. Would you? Oh, hey, let's make a sandcastle. That would be fun too, wouldn't it? What do you like to do when you go to the beach? Can you swim? Or how about paddling? Let's do some blue now for the water. Gorgeous crystally blue waves lapping up and down. So relaxing. Very nice. Hey, I wonder what's in the sea. Do you think there are some fish there? Maybe a starfish like the one on the beach. Just along the bottom, and we're nearly done with our ocean. And there. Let's paint green. Let's choose green next for our hedges. It's really nice to give a bit of perspective when you do something else at the back of your picture, like hedges to mark the edge of your beach. Let's do the flip-flops next. Pink straps. And yellow for the soles. Now let's go for some red and start painting the stripes on our beach mat. Yellow, I think, would go perfectly next to that red. The brighter the better. Now what should we do the middle stripe in? Ooh, purple. Yes, what a great choice. Let's go for some more yellow now, and we're going to paint our bucket rim. Some turquoise to match the sea and the clouds. Got water in it, you see. And pink for the rest of our bucket. How about the handle? Let's do it green. Yeah. You see, you choose the same colour over and over, here and there in your picture, and it just all blends in and matches up perfectly together. Now we've got our brown rocks there, and our starfish is going to be pink. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. A day at the beach.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!